Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a Gong.io overview for beginners. So this video will have everything you need to know about Gong.io and how you can use it to master your sales conversations and analytics. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Gong.io website. Just type this in on your browser and you should be able to see this landing page. And from here, you can sign in if you already have an account. It's right over here, this welcome page of Gong, wherein you can sign in with Google, or if you have Salesforce or Office 365. Alternatively, you can also just sign in with an email address. Now, if you want, you can also try booking a demo. If you don't have an account yet, this is going to be your process for creating an account as well. You're just going to sign in, or rather input your work email and then wait for Gong to reply and get in touch with you so that you can get your personalized live demo, and then you can proceed from there. So here you can book a demo to see how the Gong platform transforms insights into action with the most accurate AI custom built for revenue teams. So that's the process for signing up for an account, but in this video we're going to be focusing on what info we can gather from their website alone, as well as their solutions and key features. So before we get started on that, Gong.io is a leading revenue intelligence platform that leverages AI to optimize sales and customer interactions. So here, key features include conversation intelligence. So when it comes to conversation intelligence, this includes call recording and transcription. So this allows you to automatically record and transcribe sales calls, emails, and meetings. There's also what we call a talk ratio analysis that measures speaking time to evaluate engagement and identify coaching opportunities. Next up, we have the AI-powered highlights. So this detects key moments such as objections, pricing discussions, and competitor mentions. Then we also have keyword tracking, which allows you to search conversations for specific phrases or topics. For deal intelligence, we have pipeline management, which provides a real-time view of deal status and pipeline health. There's also risk indicators. So this highlights deals at risk due to lack of activity, delayed follow-ups, or insufficient engagement. There's also multi-threaded deal tracking, which tracks interactions with multiple stakeholders in complex deals, as well as next step suggestions, which recommends actionable follow-ups based on conversation analysis. Now for sales coaching, we have Call Library, which curate exemplary calls for training and onboarding. There's also custom scorecards, which helps evaluate and score team members' performance using predefined criteria. Then for performance metrics, you get to identify patterns in successful conversations, such as talk-to-listen ratios and objections handling. Now for feedback tools, managers can comment on specific moments in calls and suggest improvements. Now for the next key feature, we have analytics and insights. So for analytics and insights, we have team performance insights, which tracks individual and team metrics like activity levels, conversion rates, and win-loss trends. For market intelligence, this helps identify trends in customer sentiment, as well as competitor mentions and objections. For AI recommendations, this helps provide actionable insights to refine sales strategies. And finally, we have custom reports that generates reports on sales activity, performance, and trends. So here we can see a brief preview of the products that are available on Gong. We have the platform overview, which is the leading AI platform for revenue transformation. There's the Gong forecast, wherein you can pinpoint your number and paths to target. Gong Engage for sales engagement, reimagined with AI, and then Gong Data Engine for powering your systems with Gong data. Gong AI for outperforming competition with industry-leading AI, as well as support for 70+ languages. You can also see their enterprise. So this is built for the largest and most complex GTM teams, partners and integrations, and trust center right over here. Now for their solutions, for teams, we have sales, customer success, marketing, and for use cases, we have deal execution, coaching, strategic initiatives, and market insights. All right, so we're going to try to go through their sales solutions right here. So here for Gong for Sales Team, you get to close more deals together. You can also get a demo from this section. And here, if you tell them about who you are, they will show you how they can cater to your business needs. So this depends if you're a sales leader, sales manager, and account executive. Here, you will get a more personalized experience based on the role you have in your business. Now for Gong for sales leaders, there's one word, which is revenue, and it all comes down to one goal: driving revenue. Gong can help you achieve success by eliminating the guesswork from your go-to market initiatives and delivering real-time risks to your pipeline. So that's it for our sales solutions. Let's try checking customer success. So for Gong for customer success, we have renewals and growth becoming the norm. And if you click on see it in action, I believe this is also a prompt to their demo. So Gong for customer success, you have infinite memory with records of who said, sent, and did what during interactions with your accounts. CSMs are equipped to provide customer value from onboarding onwards. There's also proactive guidance with data-driven recommendations and tailored coaching, wherein your team can ensure customers reach their objectives. Happy customers mean higher retention. And then for collective reality, there is visibility into customer conversations, aligning the entire account team around customer needs so that opportunities for growth and expansion are identified and acted on in real time. So here you have the 5 ways Gong helps you create value for customers. So you can prevent churn to hit your number, and then use memory you can rely on for account collaboration, and then coach for quality conversations, and then tailor playbooks based on customer reality, and get new hires productive fast for your onboarding process. These are also some of the integrations Gong has with some familiar names such as Salesforce, Slack, Google, Teams, HubSpot, Zoom, and Gainsight. So that's it for the customer success. And then finally, we're going to head to marketing. So here, closest to the customer wins. So Gong for marketing, you can get closer to revenue, getting full visibility into customer and prospect conversations to craft hyper-relevant messaging and drive more pipeline. There's also visibility into customer and prospect conversations at scale, so you know what's needed to keep messaging and GTM programs on track. Now, collaborate based on customer reality. You can give your revenue teams continuous shared access to the voice of your customer and collaborate across products, sales, and customer success teams to win more often. So here for strategic GTM initiatives, you have the craft and track messaging that moves buyers. And then for the voice of the customer, align around the voice that matters so you can rely on reality instead of opinions. And you'll see cross-functional collaboration take hold. So here you can see how you can interact with the customer. You can share the snippet internally and also add a feature request. And then you can also run laps around the competition. So you have the competitive mentions trends right here. So you'll always have a readily available analysis with your top competitors. Now for lead conversion, you can close gaps between leads and buyers easily. So that's it for Gong's solutions. And feel free to book a demo if you want to get started with Gong.io today. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.